What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tomorrow they will be pouring the concrete for the bend that we are putting up. It is going to be 22,000 bushels, and if you do want some action, make sure to skip ahead in the video instead of clicking off. I'll just be going over some facts here and then we'll be getting right into the action. So some facts about it is that the bend will be 33 feet across, it'll be about 41 feet high, and it'll hold about 22,000 bushels. So those are just some of the facts about the bend. They should be putting up the actual bend in late August, so make sure to watch out for part 2 of this. So yeah, let's go check it out. So today they tried working on it, but it was a little too wet. We got 4 inches of rain overnight. We were in a drought before this. We needed quite a bit of rain, and the 4 inches pretty much soaked up just like that. But the problem was their skid loader was around 5,500 pounds, and they were there right after the rain, but they didn't come back this afternoon because then it'd be just more trips. So they will be coming back tomorrow as far as we know, and we'll be getting some action in there, and it'll be nice to have some more storage. Okay guys, so it's a little wet here as you can see. So like I said earlier, they will be coming back tomorrow as far as we know to work on it. They've got their case skid steer here, and we monkeyed around with ours a little bit and packed it down and stuff. They did just about get stuck with their skid steer here because there was water sitting on this morning, because obviously when you pack stuff down and then you get 4 inches of rain on it, it doesn't end up very good. So the 2-foot form will be all the way up to here, which for those of you who don't know is I'm about 5'9", so it's about knee high on me, and it's quite a jump from the other bend, which is only about ankle high. So it'll be a big jump in the height of the form because obviously there's going to be more weight there. But yeah, so the reason why the water is sitting, for those of you who don't know about pouring concrete, sorry, excuse me about that. So for those of you who don't know about pouring concrete, there is packing involved because obviously if you don't have a good base, it's not going to turn out very good. But so yeah, we packed it, and then when you get 4 inches of rain, it doesn't really turn out the best. So yeah, there's skid steer here behind me. Like I said earlier, is 5,500 pounds. So it sank right in. They almost got stuck, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta try and get it done. So yeah, they plan on pouring it tomorrow. We've got another pile of gravel here, and we had one just like it before this that we put over there. So for those of you, again, who don't know much about pouring concrete, in order to get a good base, before you pack it, you have to dig out dirt. So we piled it over there. It's a pretty big pile. It's about 7 feet high, and you can see about how long it is, about 30-40 feet. So yeah, we dug down about 8 to 10 inches, and then we filled it all up with a pile of gravel just like that. And now they need more because when you pour a bend, it's thicker on the outside and narrower on the inside for the concrete part of it, but the gravel's just as high. And it'll be a false floor on the inside, just like this one. So yeah, we got quite a bit of rain, like I said, and I'll show you guys an area that normally has water sitting, but it didn't before this rain. As I'm on my way over here, one of the areas around us got 10 inches of rain off of this. So we were lucky because otherwise it would really be drowned out. So yeah, we got lucky. We could have had a little more if it was slower, but for the amount that came down in that amount of time, we were pretty lucky, because if we would have got a few more inches, it probably wouldn't have looked very pretty. So where I am now, you can see there's a little water sitting along this slough here, but it isn't quite as bad as last year. Last year we couldn't plant here because it was too wet, but it's better now this year. And yeah, it was a much needed rain, but we didn't need quite that much in that amount of time. It would have been a lot better if it was slower. So right across here now, you can see here's the neighbor's field, and he has water sitting too. So yeah, it rained quite a bit, and when you try and take a heavy skid loader over something like the bend pad, it's not going to be pretty. So yeah, they plan on coming out tomorrow morning sometime, probably working in the afternoon. They'll have the concrete truck come out, pour the concrete. It'll be a couple trucks, not sure quite how many yards, but yeah, it's going to be a lot of concrete for them to pour. So I'll see you guys all in the morning. Okay guys, so it's all set up. Got the dirt along the edge, the forms, the rebar. They'll be pouring it here in a little bit. See you guys later. Hey guys, concrete truck is here at the first load. Be pouring in a little bit. Okay guys, they're pouring the concrete coming onto the truck. And the next truck's coming in right now. Okay guys, the concrete's coming out of there. Big pile over here that they're spreading. Going in over there. And the second truck just got here. Going pretty good. The second truck is going. First one's still there. Getting her done. Okay guys, so the first truck is just about to leave. Second truck's still over here doing the concrete. And the third truck's behind the garage right now. And he's sitting up there waiting to go. So pouring. Truck 1's still rinsing. Truck 3 is here, about ready to pour. And truck 2 is up there and he's rinsing. They're just spreading it out. 4 should be here soon. Quite a sight. Truck number 2 is in the process of rinsing out. Number 3, is putting it on right now. And they're spreading it out, making it nice and smooth over there for now. Coming along pretty good. Looks like the neighbors are checking it out. Truck 1 and 2 have left. They've rinsed. Now it's just truck 3. Last little bit of concrete, not much left, just that little bit. Bend pad's almost done, just gotta trowel it. Okay, he's rinsing out the truck over there where all the other ones have. And we've got some extra concrete over there. About a 1/4 to 1/8 of a yard. And it's done, just gotta trowel it, got some extra gravel. You guys are troweling it right now. Truck pulled ahead, gonna be leaving. Rinsed out. And there goes the truck. Hey guys, so they finished a little while ago and left. They left their trailer here. but the concrete's curing. It's about 6 o'clock. They'll come back tomorrow and take the forms out. We wrote 2020 in it so everyone knows the year. They put their anchor bolts in all the way around the bend. And it's been curing here for about 4 hours. And they'll take it out tomorrow. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. We got another ½ inch of rain. The yard's a little soggy, but they came back and they took the forms off, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Yeah, it's a pretty nice day, and I'll show you guys. Great. So here it is. They took the forms off, still got a little bit of water sitting on it. So the forms are all off, and it's good to walk on now. There. So in late August or so, they'll be putting the bin up. So make sure to watch out for part 2. Oh yeah, part 2 will be coming out in late August or so. So make sure to watch out for that. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys all later. Bye. Bye guys.